Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download and install Jupyter Notebook for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, if you want to download and install Jupyter Notebook, or you want to download and install Jupyter Notebook via Python, then here are the quick steps you need to take. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open a browser. Then search for download Python. So that's the first thing you want to download. You need to first install Python before you can install Jupyter Notebook on your PC. Then click on download Python. Once you click on download Python, this is going to open a source or website where you can easily download the latest version of Python. And the latest version is Python 3.1.3.5. Click on download, then you should see the Python downloaded. Now, once you've downloaded the Python, then you should see it here. Then you can click on the file or folder icon to open the directory. Now, double click to start installing the Python. Now, this is it. While installing Python, you must check these two options. Use admin privilege when installing Python and check add Python extension to path. This is very compulsory. And then go ahead and check install now. Then hang on for the Python to install on your PC. This might take a couple of seconds and in most cases it is less than a minute. So you need to hang on for the latest Python you downloaded to install on your PC. Now once the Python is installed successfully, you should see setup was successful. Now to install Jupyter Notebook, the first one to check is click on the start button and search for CMD. Then open command prompt. Now let me make this a bit bigger. So now go ahead and type Python space hyphen or dash dash version. Don't click on enter. Then you should see the version of the Python you installed on your PC. So if you try to check for Python version and all you see is error, then there is a mistake during the installation process. So this is what you simply need to do. Click on the start button and search for Python. Then make sure you select the Python application. Then go ahead and click on open file app. Then again, you see the Python application, right click on it, and then click on open file location. Now here you have Python script and the rest of them. Now the first one to do is go ahead and click on this navigation, the file directory app data local program Python. Then click outside, then copy this. Then let's paste this on a notepad. Again, come to where it says script, click on script. And then it should say PIP 3.3 and like that. Then copy the script directory as well. Then go ahead and paste this on your notepad. Again, what you want to do is go ahead and search for environment variable. Then once you say edit the system environment variables, click on open. Then here, select edit variables. Now under user variables for your account, select path. Click on edit, select new. Now go ahead and add these two directories by clicking on new, paste, then new again, copy the second directory, and then go ahead and add it again and click on OK. But because I already added this while I was installing the Python program, then there is no need for me to re-add this again. So in your case, if you have not added it or you fail to check that option while installing Python, just go ahead and click on OK. So here, let me just click on cancel. Now, the next thing we want to do here is to check the pip version you've installed while installing the Python. I just need to just type pip spacebar dash dash version. Then click on enter. Then you should see the pip version installed. Now, to now install Jupyter Notebook, all you simply need to do is type pip, which is pip space install space then Jupyter. So the Jupyter is Jupyter. Then click on enter. If you follow this step correctly, then your PC should start collecting data about Jupyter and it's going to install the Jupyter Notebook correctly on your PC. So this might take a couple of minutes. So depending on the strength of your internet connection to download and install the Jupyter Notebook on your PC run on either Windows 10 or Windows 11 before you can start using it to write your program. So you should see how these Jupyter files or Jupyter file notebook are being downloaded and installed on your PC. So all you just need to do at this point is just let your PC download the Jupyter file you need to run any Jupyter file or Python Jupyter file on your PC before you go ahead and exit the command prompt. So you don't need to download the Jupyter file separately from the internet. You can simply use Python pip command like Python install Jupyter to install the latest Jupyter file or Jupyter software that will work with a Python application on your PC. So just hang on for the program to run and install the latest update on your PC. Now, once the Jupyter Notebook is installed successfully, this is what you're going to see. All of this. And now you've installed Jupyter Notebook successfully on your PC. You can now go ahead and exit, or you can even check the version Jupyter space IV version. Now, you can confirm that you have successfully installed the Jupyter Notebook on your PC on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So, you can now go ahead and start using the program to create or write your program. And that's it. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.